On August 14, 1947, the British government issued the Indian Independence Act, dividing British India into two dominions based on religion, India of Hindus and Pakistan of Muslims. This might be the first dawn of the two countries, but the darkest days of the world in the 20th century, when about 15 million people had to leave their homes to evacuate to the new lands, causing religious and ethnic violence that led to the death of millions of people. The hostile atmosphere between the two nations has persisted for decades, leading to the outbreak of three major Indo-Pakistan wars in 1947, 1965, and 1971, and a limited war in 1999. The tension between the two nations continues to escalate till today, making the India-Pakistan conflict one of the world's longest-running conflicts. The Indian Army quickly responded to the Pakistani Army's movements to the west and achieved some initial victories. Within 2 weeks of intense fighting, Pakistani forces in East Pakistan surrendered to the joint command of Indian and Bangladeshi forces, after which the People's Republic of Bangladesh was established. On December 17, 1971, India declared a ceasefire, ending the Third Indo-Pakistani War. This war recorded the highest casualties of any conflict between India and Pakistan, as well as the largest number of prisoners of war since the Second World War. When the Pakistani forces surrendered, it perhaps lost half of its navy, a quarter of its air force, and a third of its army.